2022 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD CC. This truck is built for versatility for many uses. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as Bluetooth, power outlet, auxiliary input, dual rear wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS, front side airbag, front side head airbag, rear side head airbag. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.